Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So in order to enter the particular and special section which will allow us to manage the Google account, we have to enter first of all the settings. Here in this left section, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Of course, right here we've got the Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it. But to be honest, I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let's enter, and here let's simply tap on Add Account. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here you have to decide who's going to use this device. So I will pick an adult or a teen. Here in this section we have to enter our email, so let me do it. A quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Alright, so here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it. Just tap on it. And here tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove account and confirm it. And as you can see, it will be immediately removed. However, be aware that if you've got the screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.